So, good morning, Mom. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's lesson, I will discuss about the integrated curriculum model. So, by the way, I am Glassy S. Maestrado of BS NED 2A. So, our objectives are by the end of the discussion, students will be able to number one, define the integrated curriculum model and its purpose. Number two, identify the kinds and dimensions of integrated curriculum model. Number three, differentiate curriculum from instructional models within integrated curriculum model. And lastly, explain how integrated curriculum model is applied in classroom practice. So, introduction. The integrated curriculum model was developed by Joyce Van Tassel Basca and colleagues at the Center for Gifted Education, College of William and Mary. It was specifically designed to address the unique learning needs of gifted students who often require advanced content, higher order thinking opportunities, and a more in-depth exploration of ideas than typical grade level curricula provide. Unlike traditional curriculum approaches that are linear and standardized, the integrated curriculum model emphasizes conceptual learning, cross-disciplinary connections, and flexible pacing. It seeks to integrate three critical dimensions. We have the advanced content, the higher level process, and product develop, and overarching concepts or issues that provide depth and meaning to learning. Over the years, this model has guided the creation of curriculum units that are now widely used in gifted education programs globally. So, these are the kinds of integrated curriculum models. We have the discipline-based, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary, concept-based, and lastly, we have the problem or issue-based. So when we say about discipline-based, it's about advanced study within one subject area. For example, science subject. So in science subject, yung mga students, ah pwede nilang pag-aralan yung about sa ecosystem and then pwede din silang mag-conduct ng mga experiments. So, the teacher provides enriched materials like college-level texts, lab simulations, to push beyond grade level standards. So, ano yung benefit nito for gifted students? It deepens expertise and mastery in a single discipline. So next, we have the multidisciplinary. So it's about theme explored across different subjects but keep separate. So when we say about uh yung given example dito is about theme of change. So when we say change, it depends upon sa kung ano yung pinoportray ng change. So like in history, when we say change, it's about revolutions. So in literature, the change is about character growth. And when we say in science, the change is about climate change. So teacher organizes a theme week where each student's or each subject explores the theme from its own perspective. So, the benefit for gifted students, it helps students see connections between different subjects. So, next we have interdisciplinary. So, its subjects are more directly connected and blended. For example, justice. So, when we say justice, depende din kung ano yung pinoportray ng justice. Like, sa study through history, ang justice is about civil rights. So, in literature, justice is about novels. In social studies, justice is about law. So, students create a joint project like a mock trial, requiring knowledge from multiple subjects. So ano yung benefit nito for gifted students? Encourages transfer of knowledge and holistic thinking. So next, we have the transdisciplinary. It's like real-world problems that cut across subjects. For example, sustainability project. So about sustainability projects, like integrating science, math, economics, and ethics. So, students work in teams to design solutions like eco-friendly school model, recycling program, or etc. So kung ano yung benefit for students, for gifted students, it builds problem-solving skills for authentic and global issues. So about the concept-based, it's a big ideas or universal concepts as the center. For example, systems. So systems is like sa biology, it's about ecosystems. In technology, it's about networks. So in literature, it's about social systems. So teacher designs lessons around big ideas and asks students to connect them across subjects. So yung benefit nito for gifted students, it promotes abstract thinking and ability to apply ideas widely. So, problem or issue-based, complex real-life problems requiring multiple perspectives. So, example, global health. So, global health is about like studying pandemics, using biology, history, geography, and ethics. So, students research a current issue and present innovative solutions through debates or presentations. So, all these models have one goal, uh, to challenge gifted learners, encourage critical and creative thinking, and help them connect knowledge in meaningful ways. So all these models have, yun nga, yung one goal nila is to challenge gifted learners and encourage their critical thinking and help them connect knowledge in meaningful ways. So next, we have the three dimensions of integrated curriculum for gifted students. So we have the advanced dimensions, process dimensions, and the issues dimensions. So in advanced content dimensions, provides students with content that goes beyond grade level expectations, draws from disciplines such as science, literature, history, and mathematics, often. So, advanced content dimension provides students with content that goes beyond grade level expectations, draws from disciplines such as science, literature, history, and mathematics, often integrating college level concepts adapted for younger learners, encourages exploration of the structure, methodology, and thinking patterns of each discipline. So, all of these mean that students are given more advanced lessons than usual, using ideas from different subjects, and they learn not just facts, but also how subject works and how experts think in that field. So, about the process or the product dimensions, it emphasizes problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, promotes research, inquiry, and independent project based learning, encourages students to produce original products that reflect deep understanding and innovation rather than mere repetition of learned facts. So, in process, this means students are taught to think deeply, solve problems in a creative ways, explore through research, and make their own original work instead of just memorizing and repeating information. So in issues or themes dimension, focuses on themes and concepts that cut across disciplines. For example, the change, the systems, conflict, patterns, and identity, allows students to see relationships among subjects applying knowledge in multiple contexts, encourages ethical reasoning, decision making, and exploration of issues with real world significance. So, in issues or themes dimensions, this means Students learn big ideas that connect different subjects, apply what they know in real life situations, and practice making thoughtful and ethical decisions about real world issues. So, how the three dimensions of the integrated curriculum model can work together. So, we have here an example unit about climate change and sustainability. So, in advanced content, students students study advanced concepts in science. So, like science, for example, yung greenhouse gases, renewable energy, and ano pa, or many more. And in mathematics, we have interpreting real climate data and graphs. In geography, impact of climate change on different regions. So the content is enriched beyond grade level, exposing students to current research and expert perspective. So about the process, the product dimensions, students engage in research project. So yung research projects such as investigating how rising sea levels affects their own community, and they use critical thinking to evaluate solutions. So critical thinking like renewable energy, recycling, or green technology. So for their final product, students design and present an innovative sustainability plan. So the final product is like a model of an eco-friendly school, policy proposal, or a digital awareness campaign. So the issues our themes dimension, the unit is framed around the concepts of systems and change. So, in systems, how ecosystems, economies, and human behavior are interconnected, while in change, climate patterns, policies, and technologies evolving over time. So, sa students, discuss the ethical dimension. So, yung ethical dimensions, example, who is responsible for addressing climate change, how decision impact both present and future generations. So, this example shows how the three dimensions of the in integrated curriculum model are woven together. So the advanced content challenges the students to go beyond surface level facts by engaging with complex scientific and social issues. So the process and or product dimension develops critical and creative thinking through real world problem solving and original outputs. The issues or themes tie everything together, helping students see climate change not just as science topic, but as a global ethical issue connected to many disciplines. So, by combining these three, the unit becomes meaningful, challenging, and interdisciplinary, exactly what gifted students need to stay engaged and motivated. So, within the context of an integrated curriculum model, the curriculum defines the what and why of the integrated content, while the instructional model outlines the how the methods and strategies teachers use to deliver the content effectively. So, thank you for listening, everyone.